micronutrients, vitamins, minerals. While macronutrients provide us with the energy needed to perform and recover, micronutrients are equally vital for optimal health and performance. Micronutrients are the vitamins and minerals that our bodies require in smaller amounts. Even though they are needed in lesser quantities, they play key roles in a lot of bodily functions. Vitamins. These are organic compounds that our bodies need to function correctly. Each vitamin has specific roles, and deficiencies can lead to health problems. Some vitamins, like vitamins A, D, E, and K, are fat-soluble, meaning they can be stored in the body and used as needed. Others, like vitamin C and the B-complex vitamins, are water-soluble and must be consumed regularly. For athletes, B vitamins are crucial as they are involved in energy production and muscle repair. Vitamin C aids tissue repair, helps with the absorption of iron, and acts as an antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage. Vitamin D is crucial for some hormone production, and vitamin A is an antioxidant, although less potent than vitamin C. Vitamin K might not directly improve performance, but having too little of it can cause general health issues. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic substances that play a role in many body functions. For example, calcium and phosphorus are essential for bone health. Iron is used to make hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout our body. Sodium, potassium, and chloride are electrolytes that maintain fluid balance and nerve function. The importance of adequate intake of minerals for athletes cannot be understated. In essence, micronutrients may not provide energy, but without them, our bodies can't effectively work. By understanding their roles and ensuring we get a wide variety of these nutrients through our diet, we can support our bodies to perform optimally and recover efficiently.